saying? This one is embarrassing. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to get this thing off. Very hard to So basically now we need to make a 45-degree angle cut here to make a cleat. Like, I don't know if it's 45 degrees, but you know, you get the point. I mean, it should be right. Never mind. You just lose it out. You can kind of 45 degree. There we go. I had to remove the attachment. Looking okay, not too bad. I'm not sure how well it's doing, but it's doing something. So I'm not very proud of the thing. Oh my god, like, but I hope it better work. So now we have to make this upper cleat, what do you call it? Need ear protection, need a mask. It is okay, it's just not the best. See, not the best, but yeah, it's pretty fine. So yeah, this is looking fine. So I'm gonna polish this, then we're gonna cut it into pieces. And so we got this four done. They're just perfect. I mean, it looks, it's better. These two a little defect, but I think it will work still. So far so good. The idea is this is the base plate. This would go like this. So I'm gonna use the jigsaw to cut the edges and kind of make a hole in here. Scale abomination. back, little thing like this is how it should be, and yeah, basically we attach this thing. So this is the situation so far. Everything is set, holds up pretty well. Just gotta get rid of these. This would be the idea. The two wrong cuts of this thing, I can fit them like this. Alright, moment of truth. You see? Alright, fits perfect. Then you just lock it in. I don't know why. Okay, this was fine. We can just put it on like that. Just take this and I hope it doesn't break. Oh my god, that's hilarious. We're gonna put another one under this, so it will be properly secure. No water level, no nothing. Okay, moment of truth. Where's mine? So this is how it looks like. No water leveled. It looks pretty parallel to me, but if it works, it works. Okay. Well, it works. A lot of pressure. It won't come off, like, which it doesn't. There we go. I made my first French plate. Just like that. So your first product gonna be the worst one. It's super janky, I know, right? But it's strong. Lock it out. You can't like pull it off. Bam. So far we got the angle grinder holder done. I put 2 smiley on that thing to get the wire managed. I probably need a better cable management, but so far it works just fine. Okay, this is far off 1.5 inches, you can see it. However, the best part is because I also calculated the, after you're gonna do 45 here, it might not hold up that well. 3-inch segment. What? The results are pretty surprising. Like, look at that. It's not difficult to cut a perfect 45 using a jigsaw. Yes, you gotta let it cut. You just need pretty stable hand, I guess. It's like metal cutting angle grinder hands. Remember those?
That's literally 8 years old me, living his dream.
It's nearly perfect. How beautiful this is. That's a pretty straight cut, but I'm kind of doubting the size, but works well. Got 4, all done. We have to cut this. What do we have here? There's a beehive there. Over there. So these are the pieces. So the design turned into something like this now. Fits in perfectly, and it's just like, look at that. So after many tweaking, this is how it looks like. Yeah, it looks very abomination. So after many adjustments, this is the product. So what I did was I used these two pieces to like screw through it, and that just works. Here the disaster happened. Tried to like, you know, run a screw through it to like attach it that way, but while it's applied it doesn't happen. I got a screw stuck in here, that's why it's just like cracked, but I can use it as a drill bin like this. Alright, so this fits pretty tight, and I think I can hang it. However, to protect it, I would add like, again, a bracket, something like that. Something probably here, I don't know. Ouch. Ow. Put it in, just like that. It's very sturdy, very heavy, and basically you just this. It fits like that. Turn it on. Turn it on. Now it just, that would really, it basically doesn't come off, so it's heavy. It can, French Cleat can take it. Alright, so all we need to do now is do French Cleat. We gotta install the French Cleat. This probably. I'm taking approximately, oh my. Perfect. Lower one. What? Oh. Yeah, I hope this. Wait, what? So after 2 more tries, finally. Let's take it. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off. It's just perfectly attached there. Perfect. So, from the past experience, step number 1 for this will be get this cleat perfectly on the spot. After building the whole thing, readjusting is a mess and it's a nightmare. Adjust it even further. So yeah, this position kind of works, and to add another one, and this should work. A moment of truth. Well, it sort of works. So what I'm realizing here, this fits a little weird, but it, well, yeah, I think it's perfect. I don't know why, but it works. Okay, so we came up with a crackhead plan here. You know, as I'm not going to buy some new stuff, and I have like plenty of stuff to get things done with. So this piece of wood, this is the exact measure of the plate. So, you know, if we can make this strong, this can hold the whole weight here. Here, one base plate, great. We're gonna put it here. For the rest, we're gonna put a block here or something. This goes here. And these all can be done with 1 inch. Start. The weather is sort of cloudy and it's great. Alright, this won't move, it won't go in or stuff, so let me just chop it off. Okay. So this is the most ridiculous way to get it done, but
Wait, hey!
goes. Alright. So now this is concrete, solid. There's no wood crack that I can see. Yep. It works perfect. See that? I think what I'm gonna do is set up like a lock like this. Alright, we finally did this. Just perfect. The only way you can get this out is tilting it this way and it just comes out. And you have to like do it like this, comes out, and then if you try to do this, okay, never mind, this way it comes out, but this way it doesn't. This way it doesn't. Yeah, I just added this thing. This one is the best for that, to prevent it from falling. Alright, so this is the final one. Let's install it. Let's go, I guess. Strong foot, so you have to kind of line it like this. And it's safe and secure, literally. Yeah, it's a lot of weight. This is how the thing looks like after the thing is done. It's just a mess. I was just recording with a skateboard. This is what I was doing. Off.